Here are the headlines moving markets today. Valens Growworks Corp has raised $30 million after entering into an agreement with AltaCorp Capital Inc. AltaCorp has agreed to purchase, as lead underwriter and sole bookrunner, on a bought deal basis, over 10 million units of the company at a price of $2.95 per unit, representing aggregate gross proceeds to Valens of approximately 30 million Canadian dollars. Canopy Growth Corporation and Hollyweed Manufacturing and Extracts have entered into a multi-year processing and extraction agreement. Hollyweed North Cannabis Inc. operates several subsidiaries specializing in the growth, manufacturing, licensing, and production of cannabis and other pharmaceutical-grade products. Under the terms of the 2-year agreement, Hollyweed will process dried cannabis provided by Canopy Growth in their advanced manufacturing facility in Victoria and will return the high-quality oil and resin back to the company. Agriflora Organics International is acquiring an additional 10% of the shares of Propagation Services Canada. The deal amounts to $14 million payable by common shares of Agriflora at a price of 68 cents per share, equivalent to 20.6 million common shares. The transaction has been agreed to in principle and approved by both boards of directors of Agriflora and PSC. Following the transaction, the ownership of PSC will consist of Agriflora for 60%, the Howe Wellings Partnership Group as 30%, and the investors of Delta Organics Cannabis Corp. will have 10%. DionyMed Brands Inc. has signed a binding term sheet with Esperanza II LLC to acquire select MMAC assets. Assets include the 1.83-acre Los Angeles cannabis campus that includes a dispensary storefront, distribution facility, manufacturing hub, and direct-to-consumer fulfillment center. The acquisition also includes all property, leaseholds, equipment, and licenses for a purchase price of $19 million. Phyvita Holdings Inc. has entered into a strategic partnership with Green Glass Global, a beverage brokerage firm focusing on the specialty drinks sector. Pure Global Cannabis Inc. is partnering with Velvet Management Inc. to be its Canada-wide sales and distribution agent for its wellness, recreational, and craft cannabis products. CB2 Insights has entered into a binding agreement to acquire Medieval Clinic LLC, a medical cannabis evaluation and educational center with multiple locations in Colorado and Arizona. This is the company's second clinical acquisition following its 2017 purchase of Massachusetts-based CannaCare Docs. And that's your news for today.